All right, now we're looking at Kangana Ranaut's freedom was bheek remark, a controversy around it only intensifying with AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi now lashing out at the actor. Kangana Ranaut, in fact, he hits out at Kangana for describing India's independence in 1947 as bheek. AIMIM leader says, and I quote, had a Muslim said what Kangana had said, UAPA would have been slapped on him. He would have then been sent to jail after being shot in the knee. He further asked whether any action will be taken against Kangana Ranaut for her remark. Earlier on Sunday, veteran Marathi actor Vikram Gokhale supported Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut. He said that many people were just mute spectators when freedom fighters were hanged during British Raj. He further added that these mute spectators included many senior leaders as well.
मोहतरमा टीवी के इंटरव्यू में कहती हैं कि देश को आजादी 2014 में मिली, 2014 में मिली। अगर वो बात मुसलमान कहता है तो यूएपीए लग जाता, उसको जेल में डालने से पहले पुलिस स्टेशन में ले जाकर उसके घुटने के बाजू हजरत पुलिस एक छोटी सी गोली मारती उसको।
Now, Kangana Ranaut, of course, continues to be defiant over her remarks, calling India's independence as mere bheek in 1947. In fact, the actor has posted a series of screenshots on Instagram now asking which war for independence was fought in 1947. Kangana Ranaut has declared that she will not, in fact, she says she'll apologize only if at all someone proves her statement wrong. She's even ready to return her Padma Shri award if her question is answered. Here's a look.
Controversial remarks and counter-jibes. Actor Kangana Ranaut remains in the spotlight over her comment on India's independence, calling it bheek mein mili azadi. The 34-year-old Bollywood star continues to maintain a defiant stance. An unapologetic Kangana took to Instagram quoting freedom fighters including Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh and Bipin Chandra Pal, asking which war for independence took place in 1947. She said she knew about the collective fight for freedom in 1857, but nothing about a war in 1947. Kangana declared that she would not only apologize for her remark, but return her Padma Shri award if her question was answered. She even dragged in Mahatma Gandhi and asked, why did Gandhi let Bhagat Singh die? Kangana's political critics came out all guns blazing, but she got support as well.
कितनी निंदा करे उतनी कम होगी इनकी, और आगे चल के और भी कहती है 2014 में देश स्वतंत्र हुआ, इसका मतलब आप समझ जाइए। क्या अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की सरकार भी उस भीख मांगे हुए स्वतंत्रता पे सरकार बनी?
मैं समझता हूं कंगना के शब्दों में कोई बात हो सकती है, लेकिन शायद भावनाएं यही होंगी कि हमें देश की आज़ादी तो इसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते। 1947 में मिला और 1947 के बाद लगातार हम रहे, लेकिन जिन्होंने 60-70 वर्षों तक देश में शासन किया वो इस राष्ट्र को आगे नहीं ले जाना पाए।
कंगना रनौत का मानना है कि 1900
Taking to Twitter, Delhi Commission for Women Chief Swati Maliwal lashed out at the Bollywood actor, accusing her of bringing disrepute to India's freedom fighters. She wrote a letter to the president and said that an FIR must be filed.